Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nyechi Chiemela, and on today's video we are actually going to be talking about a particular lightening body lotion, the Purec Egyptian Magic Whitening Body Lotion. This body lotion is I don't know what to say. Like, it said 14 days action, right? So yes, if you're interested and if you want to get to know more about this product, definitely keep on watching. If you're a returning subscriber, my love, welcome. I've missed you. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for everything. And if you're still new to my channel, my love, what are you waiting for? Definitely subscribe down below and let us get this party started. And welcome back to my channel. Let us talk about what we have for today. So on this video, I'm actually going to be talking about the Purec Egyptian Whitening Body Lotion, what you need to know about it before you go trying to purchase it, and what it did, how it worked on my skin, because I think you guys need to know more about this product before going to get it. So yes, if you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome back to my channel. And if you're just passing by, sweetheart, don't forget to like this video or subscribe down below, because that is beautiful and that is what we need to keep this channel growing and to keep taking this channel to the next level. So yes, so on today's video we are actually going to be talking about the Purec Egyptian Magic Whitening Body Lotion, which is a tinted whitening body lotion which whitens the body within 14 days. It's a face and body lotion which contains the egg yolk and the glutathione. This product is a product from Cairo, Egypt, if I'm not mistaken. WW has a website, www.purecegyptian.com, in case you want to make more inquiries or you want to get to know more about this product. So yes, the Purec Egyptian Whitening Body Lotion says it's the best quality whitening lotion that helps in facial treatments like blemishes, burns, age spots, pimples, and acts as a pimple defense. So yes guys, this product says it's a pimple defense. So what are the functions? The functions is an anti-pimple, anti-stretch mark, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and anti-blemish. So yes, let's move on to the ingredients. It contains water, alcohol, stearic acid, petroleum, mineral oil, and egg yolk and carrot oil, and then UVA and UVB protection, collagen, and a whole lot more. So my major concern for this video is 5 of the ingredients it contains, which is the collagen, the ascorbic acid, the egg yolk, and the UVA. Did I forget to mention the carrot oil too? So yes, so let us discuss what exactly these 5 ingredients, which are my major concern for this video. Guys, when it comes to the 5 ingredients I mentioned, and which is my major concentration in this video, I made a note down below. So in case my eyes keeps rolling down, just get to know that I'm looking at my notes. I don't want to be all over the place. I want to make sure I get what I want to get. Okay, so it contains collagen, and collagen is a protein, is a type of protein which helps in the skin elasticity. So if Purec Egyptian Whitening Body Lotion says it has collagen, it's a plus, because you guys just know now that collagen helps in the elasticity of the skin. It contains ascorbic acid, it contains vitamin C, which prevents UV rays and heals damaged skin. You already know that when it says it's the best quality which helps in treatments like burns and age spots, now you know why they said all these things on the pack. So yes, when it comes to the egg yolk tightens the skin, moisturizes the skin, and does a whole lot more, so which is beautiful. And you guys know that I'm all about products that contain natural ingredients in them. I'm all about skincare products that have natural ingredients in them. So yes, and then it has carrot oil. As you guys know, carrot oil is an essential oil, and which is also an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant also. So it also has the UVA and UVB, which is the almighty sun protection agent in this product, because it says it contains some SPF 20, which is what we need to go under the sun, especially for those of us in West African countries that are actually very hot climatic regions in the world. So when you're on this product, expect that kind of protection from it. And yes, so it's a face and body cream which is formulated with egg yolk and glutathione. I forgot to mention that glutathione is also a very important ingredient that this product contains, and it's for a smoother and whiter and firmer skin. It firms the skin, it whitens the skin also. And yes, the Magic Whitening Gold Lotion is anti-blemish and anti-spots also. It takes away spots and it takes away blemishes. So what else are you looking for if you can find a product that is all-round goodness? Yeah, so I must say, when it comes to the pros, I just mentioned the pros, what it contains and what it does. When it comes to the cons, this product can irritate your skin and can also make us stretch marks, even though it says it's an anti-stretch mark. So the thing is, get to know your skin type before going to purchase this product. I always tell people, when you're buying products, definitely make sure you know what you're putting on your skin. Definitely make sure that the products you're putting on your skin are actually worth it. Like, they're not, and make sure you're getting your products from a trusted skincare supplier, somebody that goes directly to the company and gets the product. You don't, because when you're jumping, skin lightening is a journey, guys, believe me. And if you're trying to lighten your skin and you're not using the right equipment and the right products, you're using fake products for your skin, sweetheart, believe me, you're not going to like the results. I have been there. Everybody has been there. So if you're on Purec Egyptian Magic Whitening Body Lotion, definitely make sure you're buying your product from a trusted supplier, somebody that sells original. And one more thing, get to know your skin type before you use this product, because you cannot purchase products that are not for your skin type. Even though Purec Egyptian Whitening Body Lotion says it's for all skin types, there may be an exception. Your skin may not like it. So yeah, get to know your skin type before purchasing products. Don't use products that your skin does not like or that could irritate your skin. So that's actually one of among the cons in this product. And yeah, it's a 14-day action. So let's move down to, it's a cream that works within 14 days, that is 2 weeks. So let's move down to how it reacted to my own skin. So when I first started using this product, I noticed that I didn't get that quick fix. Like, it did not automatically change my skin within 2 weeks. Skin types differ. So I started seeing results in week 3 of my use. And before I started applying the product on my body, I definitely tried it on my face, because at some point I was going through hyperpigmentations and a whole lot. As you guys know, as ladies, we go through hormonal changes. Our cycles get to play tricks on us. We get to, especially for those of us that have oily skin, we get to have pimples and a whole lot more. So yes, at some point I broke out and then it left spots on my face. So yeah, I had to apply. I first said, okay, let me try this product on my face before I get to try it on my body. And I did. I tried it and it did work. I saw good results. And it did work on my face. It cleared out the spots and the blemishes. And I was like, okay, maybe now I should try it out on my body. And when I tried it out on my body, I was expecting, it says 14 days, expecting that, okay, 14 days, here we go. No, it took like 3 weeks before I saw results. So sweetheart, definitely make sure you know your skin type, and definitely make sure you know the type of products you're getting. You know your skin type, you know the type of products, and you know if they are original or not. Make sure you get your products, your skincare products from trusted supplier, because sweetheart, my love, fakes are everywhere right now. And you know, if you don't know your skin type, I've made that mistake. You keep trying products that don't work. And if by any means you try this product and you don't like the results it's giving you, discontinue. You don't need to keep using this product, because most people said it gave them stretch marks, they didn't like the results. It's normal, everybody is different. So definitely discontinue this product if you're having issues with a whole lot more. Instead of improving your skin like it says it should do, it's giving your skin the other way. I'm not going to sit here and tell you, okay, because it's for all skin types, you're not supposed to have any problem. No, I'm aware that some people may have skin issues and some people may have problems. And if you have serious, disclaimer, If you have serious skincare concerns or issues, make sure you see your dermatologist. Make sure you see your doctor for further treatments, because I am not telling you, I'm not prescribing Purec Egyptian whitening body lotion. I'm not saying it's a treatment for skin issues. I'm just telling you it's a good skin lightener. It lightens your body, like it says, it whitens, it firms. But also some people's skin may be, may not accept it, may irritate them. And yes, at some point when I first started this product, it irritated my skin, but after I stopped for a while and then I continued, and yes, maybe that was why the results were not fast, were not like for 14 weeks. They were maybe like, it had to linger till week 3 because of the irritation I had. So if you don't have that mind to continue when you see irritations, when you have irritations and all of that, definitely stop using the product and and try something else. That is just what I'm going to advise you to do. If you're not getting the results you want, despite the fact it contains natural ingredients, look for some other product that best suits your skin. So yeah. And when it comes to the smell, it has an orange-like smell, an orange-like or tangerine-like smell. And as you can see, it's not pure white. It's creamy yellow or creamy orange. Yeah, let me use the word creamy orange. It's creamy orange. I don't know, milky, creamy. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see it from here. This is how it looks like. It's not pure white, as you can see. And it's a thick cream, and also very good when it comes to moisturizing. It moisturizes your skin correctly. Let me quietly drop. Oh, I just shaked my camera. Let me quietly drop it and massage it. This is how it looks like. I don't know, maybe on my hand my camera is making it look like it's white, but it's not white. So yes, and then I get to massage it into my skin. And yes, it's thick and it takes time before going down into your skin. That's how, because of the SPF content it has, I think so. So yes, it takes time before it goes into your skin, and it's super good for moisturizing. But if you have a very dry skin, I definitely advise, or suggest, not an advice, let me say, I suggest you add in some essential oils like carrot oils or almond oil into it. Even though it contains carrot oil, you may still add your own if you want, or vitamins. Any essential oil that works well for your skin, you can incorporate into this product and use it. But without I don't think, yeah, apart from skin type. So that is basically all I have for this product. If you have not subscribed, sweetheart, I support my channel by subscribing down below. Support my channel by liking this video. One thing, hitting the like button does a lot for the YouTube algorithm, because it helps those that need to see this video faster to get to see and get to know what they should know about the Purec Egyptian whitening body lotion. So sweetheart, thank you so much for being with me on this video. And once again, don't forget to like, comment and share. If you use this product and it gave you any type of irritations, that's not problem. Definitely discontinue, and comment down below if you've used this product and it works for you. As you can see, it still hasn't gone into my skin. Although I applied a lot, it still hasn't gone into my skin. I'm still trying to. It's way thick. It takes time, but before you know it goes into the skin. So that is exactly how the Purec, I get to apply it into my knuckles. So that's exactly how the Purec Egyptian whitening lotion works, and that is how it is. And so yes, thank you guys for being with me today, and I'll see you guys on my next video, because I have so many videos and so many things concerning the mind and the beauty, because my channel is about skincare product reviews and mind and beauty. I get to talk about the mind, I get to talk about self-development, and then skincare products. So if you're interested on my type of content, definitely subscribe down below and like this video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.